everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I look a bit like an egg today, don't I? Today I'm going to be nature journaling in Regent's Park. I don't know, I'm quite excited about it. I'm going to sit in this beautiful spot that I know by the lake and film everything that I see. Okay, so I just went and got some colouring pencils. I have colouring pencils at home but not here at university. This is my setup today. I've got you balanced on a sort of route, so I need to really duck down so that I'm in the view at all. Yeah, I have these colouring pencils that I found, which are National Trust colouring pencils, which is amazing. I just happened to find these. They've got deers and rabbits and squirrels and owls all over it, so I mean, the perfect pencils for nature journaling. That's where I was just sitting. And as you can see, there actually aren't any birds near it, so it seems like a good spot. But the birds are all here. Well, that's just pigeons, but there's nowhere to sit here, so I'm gonna try and get over there. People seriously underestimate how beautiful London is. Oh my gosh. Sometimes it just blows me away.
So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the words.
I'm scared of this goose.
I could never say.
This goose is way too confident.
I'm drowning with the past.
I made it to the other side of the river. As you can see, it's nice over here. It's definitely warmer. Being attacked by geese. I just do not feel safe. You're so beautiful. These are Canada geese, and just so you know, like, they're very close to me right now and making very scary noises. Oh my god. Oh my god. You could really hurt me, couldn't you? If you wanted I do feel like I should say, because I think it's important, I can't draw, and this isn't a, oh, I can't draw, oh, but look at this thing that I've done. No. You will look at that and be like, she's not an artist, why is she doing this? I am definitely no artist, and I do not claim to be, but doing stuff like this sometimes, I don't think you have to be good at something to enjoy doing something, and that's what this hobby kind of is for me. Doing this nature journal is something that you don't necessarily have to be good at. It's just recording what I see, things that I find that are beautiful, and kind of going with that.
So I step out of bounds.
If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll have seen my nature journal before. I thought, as this video is all about nature journaling and nature journaling with me, oh my god, this world is a completely different colour than I thought it was. This is my nature journal. I just found this notebook in my drawer and put this little bit of pink paper on it and filled it with pressed flowers that I've been putting in books for several years and wrote about them. I'd quite like to write some of my sonnets and poems in here. I've got one here, it's called Bluebells and Train, on the first page next to this bluebell. Not that I recommend picking bluebells. I actually think it might be illegal. I know it's illegal to uproot them, so just be careful if you are going to pick a bluebell. So yeah, as you can see, so far a lot of my journal is just like plants and stuff that I'd collected. A little bit of painting here for March, and it was about here that I started trying to sketch. Ooh, a load of stuff's falling out. Yeah, it was around here that I started to try and sketch the plants, but I'm really not an artist by any means. Got some pictures of the otters that I saw, some pheasant feathers. This is the start of my April page. As you can see, I haven't finished it yet because we're still going through the month. I have some tips. So collecting things, you can collect fur, stones, little plants, flowers that you find. Today I'm doing it much more like a diary. So I saw this on a YouTube video, so kind of draw your whereabouts, write down the date and what the weather is, and then yeah, draw a picture of your environment, and then you can write down your observations. So that's something I'm going to do now.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Pretty sure I just saw an oyster catcher, I think, which is like this, because it had a long red sort of beak like that. So I'm pretty sure.
Accuse me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want more content like this in London to do with nature and wildlife, please go and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.